guys, Ralph here, and welcome to True Power Trumpet Fitness on this magnificent Monday here in Connecticut. Life's good, guys. Life is good, I'm telling you. And the weather is just sensational. It's cold. End of November, it's getting cold. But we had about a 4 or 5 day respite. I had 2 beautiful days on the weekend. Did 50 miles on the bike each day. And we got about 3 or 4 more, and I'm going to spend every available second on the bike because I know that when this is done, I've got 3 months and I'm not going to get close to it. So anyway, with that said, I don't know why I feel inclined to give you guys a weather report. But anyway, you saw the thumbnail. Spit and cough. That is a Jerry-ism that I can't believe that I did not 1 but 2 videos on cornet soloists, and I didn't touch on this once. Jerry was just rolling over his grave and tapped me on the shoulder, and I didn't adhere. Anyway, let me honk a little bit, a very little bit. I have played a very little bit, and I had a wonderful, wonderful weekend, chop-wise. All right, let's see what we got, and then we'll talk about spit and cough. Let's do a little E-flat trumpet. Usually I do high, and let's do a little hummel. Now, spit and cough. Here's the deal, and this is straight out of Jerry's playbook. Once he got immersed in the whole tongue controlling everything, okay, he refused to use the tuka tuka tuka, taka taka taka, daga daga daga, any of those syllables. Okay? Why? Because he said the minute, and you think about it, you can go through each one. I'm not going to do that here. The minute you try to form an actual syllable like a t, look where your tongue is on a t. T. It's not here. What about d, do? It's not there. Okay, what about coo, coo? No. It was spit and cough. Everything. That's the only thing that he would say. Now, all you teachers out here, multiple tonguing is not easy to teach. Again, you got to feel it. Doesn't that stink? Doesn't that stink? That's my explanation for everything. You got to feel it. That's not my explanation for everything, but that's the reality of it. And every single thing I do with SFE or kettlebells or spitting and coughing and all this sort of stuff is trying to get you to feel the compression or whatever we're talking about. Okay? Now, spit and cough. That is not 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay? That's not 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. It's a spit and a cough. That's all there is to it. Guys, and that's not easy to do. Again, when you have been playing a different way your whole life, especially you comeback guys, pros or otherwise, it is very, very hard not to fall back into what you're used to, especially when you get under fire of a gig. Especially that transition from theory in your practice room to bring it over to a gig, that's the last bastion of the whole thing. And some people have no problem. Some people it takes a while. Different video. But here we are, spit and cough. Now, I did, was it Friday? I call them coo syllables. Can't do it. It's a cough syllable. It's a spit and a cough. The tongue is hardly moving. It is not doing coo. It's not what it's doing. It's not daga. It's a spit and a cough. And it doesn't seem like much, guys, but I'm telling you, when you spend time with that multiple tongue, and I'm telling you guys, no more than 3 to 5 minutes. Unless you really got it down. Stagers can go 3 hours. Liberati can go 3 hours. You and I can't. No way I go 3 hours. I did it before and I almost tore my lips off. Okay? I have no reason. My multiple tongue is actually pretty fast. I'll do another video on that. But I have no reason to do a Carnival Venice or anything like that. So all I need is a little, little ditty here or there that I do. So I'm not dying to get the go 3 hours, 1 hour all on cough syllables. I'm not going to do that. Not going to do that. All right? Spit and cough. Straight from Jerry. All right, guys. We'll talk again. Back to it. Hey, guys. Ralph here. Real quick. I'm going to put a link down below of Nick is a Lean Mean recording machine out around Chicago. And this has nothing to do with cornet solos. Quite the opposite. This is the epitome of caressing the baby and pop attacks, even though it is in a whisper. Okay, he's got flugel 1SB, he's got trumpet 1SB, he's got trombone, and he's got baritone. Okay, enjoy. Caress the baby.